Hey everyone, we're back to test more microwave cooking hacks. Today we're testing to see if you can fully cook a sweet potato in the microwave. We started by washing our sweet potato and then poking it all over to create little holes. You can either use a fork or a knife, just be careful. And then we put it straight in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. After the time was up, we flipped it and put it back in for another 4 minutes. At this point, it started bubbling, but it still wasn't completely cooked through, so we did another 2 minutes just for good measure. And this is how it came out. It actually cooked completely and came out so good. We paired it with grilled chicken breast and sauteed broccoli, and it was the perfect lunch. I even logged my meal using the Foodvisor app and got a ton of nutritional information about my meal.